November 70 Romeo, stay parking.
Parking at Jackson, 70 Romeo.
One correction, 70 Romeo, Roger, enter right downwind for runway 10 left.
Right downwind for 10 left, 70 Romeo.
1 Mike Delta, in your turn there is going to be debonair traffic. About 12 o'clock and 3 miles, joining final for the parallel, 4,700. November 1 Mike Delta, in your turn traffic, 12 o'clock, 3 miles, joining final for the parallel, debonair 4,700.
1 Mike Delta.
Big Bend 5-4, traffic about 2 miles north of your position, Twin Cessna joining final for the parallel. Air 70 Romeo, turn left heading 280.
280, 70 Romeo.
Air 286 Echo, Big C approach, Roger, squawk 0311.
0311, 2.
November 70 Romeo, and a right downwind for runway 10 right. Correction, and a right downwind for runway 10 left. Right downwind, runway 10 left.
Right downwind for 10 left, 70 Romeo.
70 Romeo, contact tower 118.1, good day.
Sorry, 118 point what?
70 Romeo, contact tower 118.1, good day.
118.1, 70 Romeo, thank you.
Sky 3479, contact tower 118.1, good day.
Boise Tower, Cirrus 3170 Romeo, 5,500.
Cirrus 3170 Romeo, Boise Tower, Roger. Runway 10 left, continue.
10 left, continue, 70 Romeo.
Boise Tower, Sky 3479, visual 10 left. Sky 3479, Boise Tower, runway 10 left, clear to land, wind calm. Clear to land, 10 left, Sky 3479. Seneca 54 Hotel, understand you're going to Salmon?
Going to Salmon, yes sir, 54 Hotel.
Seneca 54 Hotel, turn left on course.
Left on course, 54 Hotel. Tower 3479, just confirm that was 10 left, clear to land.
Sky 3479, affirmative, runway 10 left, clear to land.
Thank you.
Big Bend 54, say intentions.
We'd like to head back towards Baker, Big Bend 54.
Big Bend 54, roger. And turn left heading 010.
Left heading 010, Big Bend 54.
Big Bend 54, turn to left direct Baker.
Left direct Baker, Big Bend 54.
Cirrus 70 Romeo, you're following number 175 on a 2-mile final for traffic in sight.
Traffic in sight, 70 Romeo.
70 Romeo, follow the Embraer, Cosmic turbines, runway 10 left, clear to land.
10 left, clear to land, 70 Romeo.
Seneca 54 Hotel, contact departure, good day.
Departure, what frequency? 54 Hotel.
Seneca 54 Hotel, 119.6.
119.6, thank you, 54 Hotel.
Big Bend 54, contact approach on 119.6.
119.6, Big Bend 54.
Altitude.
Boise Tower, kayak 363 Echo, it's on to right, downwind for 10 right.
Over 2863 Echo, Boise Tower, runway 10 right, continue.
10 right, continue.
Sky 3479, got a ground point, 7, good day.
Underground, have a good day, Sky 3479. Tower Jet City 650 is ready, 10 left.
Jet City 650, Boise Tower, hold short, runway 10 left, landing traffic.
Hold short, 10 left, Jet City 650.
500.
Tower American 2034, visual 10 left.
American 2034, Boise Tower, runway 10 left, continue, traffic will be holding in position.
I continue, American 2034.
Jet City 650, runway 10 left, line up await, traffic 6 mile final, Airbus 6319.
Line up await, 10 left, Jet City 650.
Cirrus 70 Romeo, turn to left at Echo, contact ground point 7.
Left at Echo and contact ground point 770 Romeo.
Jet City 650, runway.
Boise ground, Cirrus 3170 Romeo at Echo, heading to Jackson. Clear of the active runway.
Romeo, Boise ground, taxi Alpha to Park.
Parking at Jackson.
Yes, sir, left turn Alpha to parking.
Alpha to parking, 70 Romeo.